In this lesson, we want to explain relief tool. Relief tool create our 2D image, black and white image to the 3D image. As you can see, we use black and white code to make 3D object. It's very simple. In its settings, we have something called size in a Y direction. For example, 100 centimeter. This tool keeps this bring this area up to 100 centimeter, this white area, and keeps the black area at 0. For example, in this area we have a gray color. The gray color, depending on its gray, it's between black and white. For example, this gray is very close to the black and its amplitude is closing to the 0. For example, it is a white, as you can see, this area are white and coming to the 0 of amplitude. So the amplitude of the 3D object depend on the color code here. In this example, I want to give this image, and the quality of image is very important for this tool. Your image have to in the best quality, black and white. Okay, I give this to the image to this relief. Click on a relief in the settings, in the texture. Click here and import your image from your PC to this image. The software asks you, this image is not in your project path. Do you want to add it? In this moment, I don't want. And here our 3D model. As you can see, it's not high quality because when you go in line, we have not enough polygon for changing to the 3D object. You have to go in settings here. You can change the widths and heights and depths segment. You have to more add segment to, you can show that, for example, 500 any direction, and here you can see your model. Okay, this is our 3D. This is our 2D image. As you can see, in a white area, this models has an, for example, 100 centimeter in a Y and goes to the 0 when it's reach the black area. And you can see this difference between amplitude because of the gray color here. It's very simple. You can add any image to the image here, but it has to be black and white. Here in the size, if you be in a model mode, you can simply change its height. Okay, the height of the white color depend on this number that you type here or changing here. And after that, you can change the bottom level like this and change the top level. And here you can make it spherical like this if you want. Okay, that is really very easy and simple, creating 3 objects from 2D black and white image. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.